Oh, your mother is here. Does that mean... Is he here? Doesn't matter. I can hear him. He's here. Doesn't matter. He never believed in me. He thought I was naive. He laughed at my dreams. He laughed so hard, and for so long I started to laugh too. And there was everything else. Money, jealousy, the baby. I couldn't act anymore, you know. I'd become so very petty. I didn't know how to stand and how to control my voice. I forgot what you meant to do with your hands. What to do with your hands on stage? What do you do with them? It's awful. To stand there and know you are acting badly, but you can't break through it. You can't get it right, even though you know. You can feel you're acting badly, and everyone knows, everyone can see it. Seagull. Not that that's me. I'm the actress. An idea. An idea for a play, for a story. A beautiful young seagull loves the lake and is free and happy. Then a man comes and with nothing better to do destroys her. Oh, that's not right. That's not quite right. Sorry. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. I was telling you that it's different now. I love acting now. It's different. All the things I thought it was about before, it isn't, it wasn't. And it's the same for you. It should be. It isn't about money or fame or success. It's about enduring, about bearing your cross. Now I can think of acting and know that things aren't so awful. They can't be, because I'm on stage.